Yes, ma'am. She cute. Little braces, y'all. Teeth doing this thing. Y'all feeling good. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Tatiana. Y'all, we are back with the hair tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my super easy braid or no braid crochet style with individuals around the perimeter as well as my crochet in the middle. I hope you babes enjoy this video. This is super beginner friendly. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I'm going to be creating some triangle parts in the very front. I love the way the triangles look when it comes to the protective styles on me. I just feel like it stands out. And I'm going to be creating some 2-strand twists around the front, the sides, and then in the back, I'm actually going to be doing plaits. Only because I just felt like it was a little difficult for me to create twists in the back for some reason. I felt like my hands were feeling weird. But if you are not a braider, I suggest that you create your twists because this is another foundation that you'll be able to use if you're not a braider. I went ahead and did my perimeter to make sure that I was doing this correctly. I'm going to be using FREETRESS braid wrap and lock crochet locks. There are crochet locks with kinky hair at the very beginning. So when we actually crochet the lock through, we're going to use that kinky hair to actually wrap around that base to create that natural faux lock look. So using that little hold that you see my latch hook was holding on, I'm going to be bringing my twist right through that little hole to secure it in place. I'm going to press it down so that it's tight close to the base. And with that kinky hair, I'm going to start to wrap it around the base a couple times, all the way down and covering my actual twist. To prevent my kinky hair from unraveling, I'm just going to be combing it out with my fingers as I twist down. I'm also going to go back up a little bit once I'm almost done. For some reason, once you go back up, the kinky hair just kind of sticks together. For my side twist, I wind up wrapping it with rubber bands only because my hair is pretty soft and it wasn't creating a strong enough foundation that I felt I needed for my locks on the side. So if that's something that you need to do, definitely do that. Also, be sure that you are covering up the rubber band, especially if you're anal about it. I wind up, of course, watching the playback and notice one of the rubber bands, but honestly, it's not the end of the world for me. But if you are anal, make sure that you are covering it with the hair. For my middle foundation, I personally wanted my hair to be braided down, but of course, if you are not a braider, I have something for you to be able to create a nice, strong foundation. To use the product is optional, but I just wanted to make sure it was a little bit slicker. I'm going to be doing my connected dot ponytails. This is like one of the most OG foundations that you could ever do, especially if you are not a braider or you're not even in a mood to braid. But yes, I'm just going to be creating a few nice size ponytails, and I'm just going to be connecting them all the way down. Once I get all the way down, I'm going to be connecting them to the last 2 braids. Now that we're at the end, I have connected my last 2 braids with my last ponytail, and I'm just creating one big braid. Again, if you are not a braider, you can't even do that. I suggest that you put it in a twist and seal it with a rubber band and crochet it right underneath. Now we have our foundation, and we can go ahead and crochet our locks. I'll be using 2 packs of the 3x BOHO Goddess locks by MOTOWN TRESS. I actually love these locks. They are so cute. They look nice and distressed, not super clean cut. But I'm going to be crocheting the lock as well as the curly pieces through that loop, and we're going to be doing that till we are completely done. Make sure that your ponytails are not tight, because when you crochet, that is going to be some extra tension, and you don't want this to be a painful install. It should be very lightweight. It should just feel nice and secure. So if you're feeling any type of tension, a little ache, your ponytails are too tight. So I'm just going to use this bundle from the 3-pack of the Goddess locks. This is optional. You don't have to do that. As you can see, it's pretty full, and I have a nice size head. So yeah, it's up to you. I like the pieces where the curls start at the top, like closer to the top, because once it's placed in the head, you can see it more. So I feel like, let me see, I can put my finger right here. If you can put your finger in between, then that means that you can add more hair. But look how nice and full that is. Look at that. It was almost 3 o'clock in the morning when I got done doing my hair, so I wanted to go ahead and show you how I actually wrap my hair up at night. just, you just step back and you just look at yourself like, girl, you did that. Like, baby, because when it's time to step, I step, okay? I step. Oh, girl, you cute. Yes, ma'am. I be forgetting how I be rocking faux locks, y'all. Faux locks is the look for your girl. This is my first time ever doing this method far as the whole wraparounds. I honestly, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to, of course, continue to do something that is gonna be innovative, something that everybody could be able to do at home. Y'all know I'm so big on trying to include everyone, okay? But this style came out so freaking cute. It feels great. My head feels awesome. It's already pre-curled. This is adorable. This is too cute. I am in love. Yes. Yes, girl, the earrings, the necklace, the hair. You. Come on now. Now you feeling when you get your hair done or when you do your hair and you outdo yourself. I feel like I outdid myself today, y'all. I really do. But this is really, really cute, protective. This is gonna last a nice amount of time. I would say for a look like this, if you do the method that I was doing, you're looking at honestly being able to rock this for definitely up to a month, maybe longer, depending on you, your hair, how you take care of it. I don't wear my hairstyles for that long, but this definitely is a, you know, a long-lasting style. Crochet usually lasts between 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the type of crochet look that you're rocking. Far as the curly hair, to preserve it, I recommend that you keep your hair in a bonnet at night. Avoid brushing it and all that. Use your fingers as the detangler. Also use like a foam, light oil to help split the curls. That way you don't cause a lot of frizzies. But when you're constantly combing out the synthetic hair, synthetic hair is going to start to, the fibers are going to start to do what they do, and you're going to have that really stiff look, and we don't want to go for that. But you honestly shouldn't you shouldn't like have any troubles with this because they're such small strands. And like I said, if you just use a little bit of foam, your fingers, a little oil, you're good. Don't overdo it. You don't have to do that every day. But yes, use a bonnet. You can use the bonnet that I was using. I showed y'all how I put mine in, and I used the drawstring. It stayed on all night, y'all. It did. It was a little heavy. I will say it was a little heavy in that bonnet. So if that is too much, I suggest doing the old school method and either doing the big t-shirt, the oversized t-shirt, or you can get like the long nets that people with actual locks wear. So that's something that you could do too. Alright babes, that is all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing this style. I am in love with how it turned out. I honestly did not know exactly how it was gonna come out, but of course I knew it was gonna be cute, but I just didn't know it was gonna be popping like this, you know? So this could be you, okay? This could definitely be you. Alright babes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All the information on this hair and the products that I use, tools, are in the description below. Follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV, and I will see you in my next video.